Hello, Mrs. Gurwicz's class invites you to our weather channel. You will learn about all kinds of weather happenings. Sit back and enjoy our Kids Channel 24 weather report. I'm Tucker.
And I'm Elise.
Today you will be learning about floods.
When rivers have too much water in them, it overflows and causes a flood.
Floods can damage roads.
In 1887, the Yellow River overflooded and damaged an area the size of New York State.
Floods can cause mud.
The Nile River floods each year between June and September. It is a welcome flood.
Floods can go in the city streets.
Hurricanes cause many floods too.
Floods cause destruction.
Long ago, people built houses around rivers. When the rivers overflowed, the houses got flooded.
Floods can travel 60 miles per hour.
People try to control floods with dams.
Floods can kill a lot of people.
River floods are the most common floods.
Floods can damage houses.
Some floods can be helpful. For example, they can make nice, rich soil.
Floods cause mudslides. Floods can happen anywhere in the USA.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. The Vermont flood. The precipitation was 150% normal. The lieutenant governor died in it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we should go get someone to help that dog. Come on.
It will probably rain if cumulus clouds are high in the sky, or if there are many different types of clouds in the sky at the same time.
He changes water into a gas called water vapor.
A cumulus cloud can hold about 25 droplets of water.
Water vapor rises into the sky.
The color of the cloud tells you how much water is inside.
The water vapor cools and turns into tiny droplets of water.
Clouds may look different, but they all form the same way.
The water droplets stick together inside the clouds.
If clouds are black, it means a bad storm is coming. Oh boy, I wish I had an umbrella.
Hello, this is Will and Liliana. Today you'll be learning about thunder and lightning.
Lightning is a very large electric spark.
Black clouds are when you know a storm, and lightning and rain is coming.
Lightning may flash inside a cloud.
Lightning rumbles when it strikes.
The average length of lightning that flashes between a cloud and the ground is about 3 or 4 miles.
Lightning flashes and thunder crashes.
Now, watch out for thunder and lightning.
Watch out for thunder and lightning.
Tsunamis are caused by underwater earthquakes. Tsunamis are as fast as 600 miles per hour and 100 feet tall. Tsunamis are huge tidal waves that may kill people. Many people used to call tsunamis tidal waves.
One time, a tsunami in Tallahassee was so big it took a lady out to sea and was found clinging to a palm tree in 2004. A tsunami killed thousands of people in Chile and Hawaii. Tsunamis don't happen very often. Hawaii and Japan have 1 or 2 per year. The states on the west coast coast of the United States, such as Alaska and Washington, have one or two every 15 years.
Our
town!
Hello, this is Simon Kuhn, and we will be teaching you about weather forecast. Benjamin Franklin was one of the first people to study weather in North America. Today's meteorologists have far more special equipment than Mr. Franklin. Weather maps help people see weather conditions over a broad area. They show storms, temperatures, and the locations of large systems of weather called fronts. A front is a boundary between a mass of cold air and a mass of warmer air. Thank you for watching. It's really great. Bye.
Hello, my name is Katie. And my name is Sophia. We will teach you about heat and drought. People who travel in the deserts sometimes think they see water, but it is just more desert. This is called a mirage. An island of greenery called an oasis happens once and a while in the middle of a desert. Deserts cover about a fifth of the world's surface. The hottest place on Earth is the Atacama Desert, where it only rains once every 6 years. The world's largest desert is in North Africa. Some deserts are filled with sand dunes. These move constantly in the wind. The Sahara is almost the size of the USA. Desert places receive fewer than 10 inches of rain. Hi, I'm Patrick.
Hi, I'm Rama.
And hi, I'm Jaden. We will teach you about tornadoes. Hailstorms usually happen before tornadoes.
On a tornado day, the air is hot and still.
Before a tornado, a severe thunderstorm strikes the area. About 800 tornadoes strike the United States a year because it is so big. Texas gets hit more than any other state. It has about 139 a year. But in 1967 and again in 1995, 232 tornadoes struck this state.
Tornadoes can strike mostly anywhere, but usually tornadoes occur in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri. Florida also has a lot of tornadoes.
Very few thunderstorms produce tornadoes, but every tornado is formed by a pair of thunderstorms. Tornadoes spin at a speed of 300 miles. Tornado winds are the hardest blowing winds on Earth.
Most tornadoes occur during April, May, and June. That's when the cold air meets with warm air near the Earth's hemisphere.
Tornadoes can spin 300 miles and 480 kilometers an hour. When tornadoes move over water, you get a waterspout. Most waterspouts last about a half hour.
The front of a tornado is usually dark gray or black. It may also be yellowish or red.
Tornado, run! Go! Hi, I'm Hawthorne.
Hi, I'm Steve.
We will tell you about hurricanes. A hurricane is one of the most violent storms.
In a hurricane, winds swirl in a circle around the storm center at 74 miles per hour or more. A hurricane watch means that a hurricane may strike within the next 36 hours. A hurricane warning means that a hurricane is likely to strike within the next 24 hours.
Often more than one hurricane is brewing at once, so it's easier to keep track of them if they are given names. These are some of the famous hurricanes' names: Angus, Andrew, Bob, Nina, Gilbert, Gloria, and Hugo. Most hurricanes begin in the late summer and in early fall. ocean is warmest. The warmer the ocean is, the stronger the hurricane will be.
Today this is Eric and Rachel, and in this report you will learn about storms. Louisiana is the whitest state in the United States. It gets about 56 inches of rain, so that's about 300,000 storms every year. Holy cow. There are many kinds of storms. Lightning can be dangerous. It splits trees right in half. Bye-bye tree. Rainstorms are made by by water evaporating into the clouds, and when the clouds get too heavy, the rain pours down. Did you know that thunderstorms form tornadoes? Wind is not always gentle. It can kill people in hurricanes. Pine cones up close mean that it's going to rain. There are many kinds of storms, including thunderstorms, lightning storms, tornadoes, or hurricanes. There is many myths about thunderstorms. The early Norsemen believed that Thor was the god of thunderstorms. There can be storms on planets like Jupiter. A blizzard occurs when a cold air mass moves out of Arctic into the temperature zone. Hurricanes are born over warm ocean waters from early summer to mid-fall.
Thank you for watching the Kids Channel 24 Weather Report.
Remember that some weather can be dangerous. Always be aware and be prepared.
Stay safe.